Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your free chart of the day. I want to take a look at two charts that are being held together with lumber and nails. And I'm talking about the home improvement stores, Home Depot and Lowe's. Now, while the SPY is whipping around a little extended, just a little choppy, Home Depot and Lowe's look pretty darn good today. You can see how we hit a high here in May, consolidated, broke under the 50-day moving average, and then got fixed right back up and have this nice little base above all the major moving averages. We have support here on the daily chart at around 314.75 and a little bit of a sideways range here. Just a little base around the key moving averages here. So here's what I want to see from Home Depot. I want to see a break out of this range above 324.40. And I want that move to come on higher than average volume. So we need a little pickup in volume, and we need a move through there. Now, if you were to take this trade, I would want to have a stop right around this 50-day moving average. If we got a decisive close below the 50-day moving average, that would invalidate the trade, and I'd want to take it off. Now, on Lowe's, the chart looks pretty much the same. It hit a high in May, broke down below the 50-day. Then all of a sudden, Bob the Builder comes out of nowhere, brings it back up above the 50-day moving average. Now, this chart is a little sloppier, but the moving averages are nice and stacked together. So I like that convergence of the moving averages. Same kind of setup here. We have support right under the 50-day moving average. Resistance right around that level, just under 197. So again, same kind of setup. I'd want to see a move through 196.70 and have a stop right around that 191 level. But like I said, I like the fact that these charts are holding up pretty well considering the state of the market. And it's really hard, in my opinion, to find these nice tight chart patterns when we're seeing a lot of other stocks just kind of break down. Maybe they need some glue. But keep an eye on Home Depot and Lowe's for some potential breaks of their current trading ranges. The levels are pretty clear. So I hope that video was helpful. Hey, give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades. And be sure and sign up for Dan Fitzpatrick's free stock chart of the day at StockMarketMentor.com. We'll see you next time.